have to guide me and let me know if I'm straight.
We're also thinking gun.
Am I straight?
My way a little bit.
Your way a little bit.
Yeah, leave the tip. Come my way with the stock. Come my way. Right there.
Yeah, it looks crooked this way. I put that guy in straight.
I like it.
That good?
Pull trigger. This is where I get shot. Ow!
Okay.
Oh, nailed it! Hole.
Let's see if it works.
Nailed it!
Oh, can you grab that?
Got me right in the fucking corner of the eye with some shrapnel. Yeah, pussy!
Guy. Go over the middle of it. You go down, so you got a guide.
Okay, that's what we're thinking. We're thinking that. Turns out I'm right.
It's perfect.
Nailed it!